Good morning, second graders. I'm going to give you some directions on how to do your practice slides today. You'll need a dry erase board and a marker and an eraser, or at least a paper and pencil to do some of your work on. I'll do some of my work right here on the screen so you can see it, but you're going to want to be able to write on something as you do these problems. And this is just going to be practicing stack and subtract. Okay, use your dry erase board or paper to solve the problems. If you have to regroup, make sure you fill in all 4 boxes. If you don't have to regroup, only use the answer boxes. So there's 2 boxes up here. There's a box for the 10s and a box for the 1s. If you have to regroup, you'll put in your new regrouping totals in these 2 boxes. Just double click on them and type. And then for every problem, even problems you don't have to regroup, there's a 10s box and a 1s box to put your answer in. So you don't always use these top 2 boxes. You only use them when you regroup, when you have to regroup. So remember, as we go through these steps, that's the first thing you look for is, do I have to regroup? If you have to regroup, we definitely want you to type in those 2 boxes at the top. If you don't have to regroup, or even if you do, for every problem, we want to make sure you put in the answer. All right, so let me go ahead, and I'm going to use my pencil instead of typing so you can kind of see as I go through it. So the first thing I'm going to look for, do I have enough 1s in my top number to take away 2? There's no 1s. And anytime there's a 0, I always double check. I take my time when there's a 0 because zeros sometimes make things tricky. But I can't take 2 from 0. So I am going to cross that off, and I'm going to borrow a 10. I'm going to move a 10 from the 10s over to the 1s. So if I take 1 10 away, I had 5, I'll only have 4. And if I add 10 to the ones that are already here, which is 0, 10 plus 0 is 10. So now I've regrouped 50, 5 10s, 0 1s, into 4 10s, 10 1s. So I've regrouped. And now I just have to subtract the 1s and then subtract the 10s. So 10 minus 2 is 8. And 4 10s take away 1 10 leaves me with 3 10s. So check to regroup. If you have to, regroup, put in your new totals up there, and then put your answer in down here. There are 10 problems to work through today, and we'd like you to do all of them. Take your time, stack, and subtract. Good luck.